Hello everyone. So this is a assignment that I have to do. It's gonna be in Excel. You're gonna be calculating time value of money. You're gonna find the future value of a lump sum payment compounded for different holding periods at different rates. You're just gonna use one formula, and there's gonna be 1 to 20 periods and 1% to 20%. You'll see in a second. So basically, you can pause the video, you can read all this. But basically, this is for investment class. So you guys might be doing this too. Fin 4504 investments. Okay, so this is the default. This is what you'll get. Time value of money. Prepared by you. You put your name. Created by, on, the date, whatever. Okay, so this is your first assignment here. You're going to calculate the present value of a lump sum amount and periods in the future at different discount rates. So you click on that. Okay, so number of periods. There's going to be 20 periods. So you highlight this, and you highlight that, and then you just drag it down to 30, and you get all 20 numbers. You're going to do the same thing with this. You're going to highlight 1%, 2%, and you go all the way up to 20. Okay, so you want to find out if your lump sum, if you start with $1, right? For period 1, how much is it going to go up at 1% interest? So if you look at the future value formula, which is this, I is your investment amount, R is your interest rate, and T is the number of years. So if you translate that in Excel, it should look something like this. You get equal sign here, equal sign, right? And then your investment amount is right here. So that's B6. So that doesn't change. So you're going to do $sign B $6. That doesn't ever change. And then next is multiplication. You got times that. So you got to put the little multiplication sign. Then you need to put the 1 plus, and then this is your R is your interest rate. Okay, so here's your interest rates right here at the top. So B10. So you're gonna put B10. Okay, so you want to put a $sign right here, $sign by the 10. So that means that this never changes. The 10 never changes so for the next column, it'll be C10, D10. Okay, so then you're gonna close that, and then you go put the caret there. See the caret, and then you need the T, which is your number of years. So that's going to be right here, your periods. So A11. So you're just going to put a $sign. You can put parentheses again. And A11. Because that doesn't really change too much. Okay, So that should be the formula right there, and that should help you out. So you push enter, and that gives you 1.01. Now you're just gonna basically hold down, drag down, and look at that, beautiful. Okay, so you see this column, your next column, watch the numbers right here. So A12 changes, B10 stays the same because this is B10 right here. You want the interest to stay the same, but you want your periods to change. So your period to change right here, okay? Now, you can do the same. You can actually highlight this whole thing and then drag it all the way up to 20, and everything fills in perfectly. So right here, you'll see, so at an interest rate of 20%, and for 20 periods, you'll make $38 in the future. And basically that's it. And if you change your lump sum, $5, enter, you see the values change. So I hope that helped. You can mess around with this and make it all fancy and whatnot. Do something like that, and then do this. Let me see what we got here. Mass table. You do, something like this. Keep it fancy. And then just delete this. You don't need this. Okay, so I hope that helped. Let me know what you think.